Welcome back to MotoMarket Explorer. Today, we're diving into some of the cheapest classic motorcycles still hitting the market. Rare icons, shocking price tags, and deals every rider dreams about. Number 1. 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $9,900, Satsuma, Alabama. We're starting off strong with a beautiful 1977 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead FXE, a machine that embodies pure American heritage. This one is listed in like-new condition, featuring Harley's iconic 74Ci V-twin engine paired with a 4-speed transmission. The seller highlights that this FXE carries both kick and electric start, a feature many collectors appreciate because it keeps the classic feel while offering modern convenience. The Shovelhead power plant, produced from 1966 to 1984, has become one of the most recognizable engines Harley ever built, thanks to its unmistakable shape and raw mechanical character. This bike is described as very nice, finished in black and chrome, with that timeless stance that turns heads anywhere. It's a great candidate for someone looking for a vintage Harley that's already sorted, already maintained, and ready to ride or show. Two, 1981 Honda CB 750F Super Sport, $4,500, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Next up, we have a very well-preserved 1981 Honda CB 750F Super Sport, a bike that helped define Honda's dominance in the US during the early 1980s. This particular example has just 19,000 miles and comes with extensive maintenance notes that really add confidence for potential buyers. Power comes from the legendary 749cc DOHC Inline 4, paired to a smooth 5-speed gearbox. It features an electric starter, triple disc brakes, dual VHD shocks, an aftermarket derail oil cooler, and freshly powder-coated Comstar wheels wrapped in new tires. The seller also completed major service, rebuilt carburetors, refreshed braking system, new pads, new battery, and multiple replaced components. Even better, it comes with a box full of extra parts, including a Corbin seat, spare carbs, OEM pegs, a triple tree, signals, manuals, and more. Easily one of the most complete CB 750F packages currently on the market. 3. 1976 Triumph Bonneville, $4,000, Hickson, Tennessee. This 1976 Triumph Bonneville comes listed as like new, and it's running strong. The seller reports new tires, rebuilt carburetors, new spark plugs, and even still has the original key, a rare touch for a nearly 50-year-old motorcycle. Price is negotiable, making this an attractive option for a vintage British twin enthusiast. Bonnevilles from this era are loved for their balanced handling, slim profile, and classic Triumph exhaust note. It's simple, mechanical, easy to work on, and perfect for weekend rides. 4. 1971 Kawasaki G4-100, $3,750, Bay Minette, Alabama. Here's a rare one, a 1971 Kawasaki G4-100, fully refurbished and described as like new for a 54-year-old machine. What makes this bike extremely unique is the high and low range 10-speed transmission, a feature many collectors seek out because it showcases Kawasaki's creative engineering of the era. The seller says it starts on the first kick and is suitable for either riding or showing. These small-bore vintage Kawasaki's are hard to find in this kind of restored condition, making it a great lightweight collectible. 5. 1972 Penton 125 6 days, $5,299, Lexington, South Carolina. Collectors, take note. This 1972 Penton 125 6 days is a clean piece of off-road history. Penton was well known for building ultralight, competition-ready dirt bikes that dominated events in the 60s and 70s. This example comes from a local collector who is letting go of a few machines. It runs, has a functioning headlight and taillight, and was fired up over the summer. The only minor issue mentioned is a small tab on the side stand needing a spot weld, an easy fix for anyone familiar with vintage motorcycles. Overall, it's a tight, well-preserved enduro with genuine historic appeal. Six, 1986 Yamaha Virago 1100, $1,650, Parrish, Florida. For those wanting a budget-friendly classic cruiser, this 1986 Yamaha Virago 1100 is a strong contender at just $1,650. The Virago line was Yamaha's answer to Harley's dominance, and these 1100cc V-twins earned a reputation for reliability, smooth power delivery, and comfortable long-distance riding. The seller states it starts and runs, but it hasn't been ridden much lately, meaning a little refreshing may be needed. Still, for under $2,000, this is a great entry-level classic motorcycle that's only rising in appreciation. 7. 1971 Husqvarna 250 Cross, $2,900, Athens, Alabama. This unrestored but mechanically refreshed 1971 Husqvarna 250 Cross is exactly the sort of vintage dirt bike that collectors chase. The engine has been fully rebuilt, top and bottom, with a new piston, crank kit, seals, bearings, and a second oversized bore. It also received a new Barnett clutch and fresh Bridgestone tires front and rear. With just about an hour and a half of runtime since the rebuild, this Husky is ready for vintage motocross events or to display in a collection. These early Husqvarnas helped define off-road racing in the 70s, and values continue to trend upward. 8. 1968 Suzuki Bergman mislabeled, $800, Panama City, Florida. This listing is unusual. A 1968 Suzuki that's labeled Bergman, which is clearly incorrect, since Bergmans didn't exist until the 1990s. However, the machine itself does run and ride. The seller completely disassembled, painted, and freshened it, but notes that the clutch slips under heavy load. Thankfully, an extra clutch basket and plates are included with the sale. At just $800, this is a quirky little vintage two-wheeler that could make for a fun weekend project or garage display piece. 1973 Jawa CZ175, $625, Ringgold, Georgia. One of the most affordable bikes on today's list, this 1973 Jawa CZ175 is a true barn find from Middle Tennessee. According to the seller, they don't know much about these motorcycles and haven't tested everything fully, but the motor does turn freely, which is a promising sign. This is the perfect project for someone who enjoys reviving Eastern European classics. For under $700, it's hard to go wrong. 10. 1969 BSA B44 Victor Special, $4,000, Dallas, Texas. Closing out the list is a gorgeous 1969 BSA Victor Special in nice, correct condition. It's fully roadworthy, registered, titled, and everything, including the lights, is said to function properly. The Victor series was known for its torquey 441cc single-cylinder engine and lightweight chassis, making it a favorite of riders who wanted a versatile street trail machine. This example features a very nice race clutch, adding to its value for riders who appreciate a vintage thumper with character. Thanks for watching MotoMarket Explorer. If you love uncovering affordable classic bike deals, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. More hidden gems are coming your way.